We guide you through how to withdraw money from Binance. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Tap Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot or Funding, depending on your funds where your funds are stored. Find the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw and tap Withdraw. If you're withdrawing crypto, choose Send via Crypto Network, enter the recipient's wallet address, select the correct blockchain network, enter the amount, and double-check all the details before confirming. If you're withdrawing to your bank account, select Withdraw Fiat, choose your link payment method, enter the amount, and follow the on-screen instructions. Complete the required security verification such as your email code, SMS code, or authenticator app. Once confirmed, Binance will process your withdrawal, and processing times may vary depending on the payment method or blockchain network. Before sending any crypto, always verify the wallet address and network because transactions cannot be reversed if sent incorrectly.